In this video, I'm going to explain to you guys what happened on USD switch right here. So for that and more, watch the rest of the video. All right, so we had a beautiful trade right here on USD Swiss. However, this trade turned out to be a losing trade. So let me just show you what happened before all this right here. So we had forecasted these two pairs right here. I mean the USD Swiss right here. Let me just show you where the whole thing started from. You can see that the first trade was actually here. Let me just show you right now. So the first trade on USD Swiss was here. You can see that we had a nice rallied base, drop supply zone, and then we saw the market leaving behind equal what you call trend line liquidity right here. And then the market took out this trend line liquidity, the market pushed into our zone right here. And once the market came into our area, we were able to send this as a signal in our private community right here. And then we saw the market actually dropping a little bit in our favor, almost like 2 hours. And then we went break even on this particular trade right here, and we shared in the private community. After that, the market pushed to the upside and we were taken out on break even. The first trade was actually taken from here. Let me just show you. It was actually somewhere here. So this is the level we're looking at right now, a rally based drop. And then the market took out the Asian session right here, coming into our area, and the market actually dropped almost 2 hours in our profit right here. So you can just see from here. So the market dropped up to this level right here. So once the market had broken this low right here, had to actually send in our private community to actually move the stop loss to break even, and then therefore the market came and took us out when the market went in against us right here at the break even trade. This is the first trade. It was a good trade, and then just turned out to be a loss right here. I mean a break even trade. Then the next trade I was looking to take was the one you are actually seeing right now. So if you go back again to the mentorship community right here, you're going to see that I was looking at this level right here. The market was coming to this level right here. So therefore, there was actually equal highs which are left right here. So when you go to the lower time frame, you can find the order block right here, and then we waited for price to take out this liquidity, which it did, then coming into our zone right here. And once the market came into our zone, I was able to actually send this signal right here to our private community right here. The market was actually at that level right there. The market actually dropped in our direction. You can see that the market actually dropped almost like 2 hours in profit, and then it pushed to the upside. Here, I didn't really get the chance to move my stop loss to break even because I was waiting for a structure on the lower time frame to be broken. Another confluence that actually gave me confidence to take this particular trade was the DXY. You can see that the DXY was also at the supply zone right here. Therefore, if the DXY was going to start going down, I was going to start selling. And you can see that right here, the DXY actually decided to reject this level right here, which was actually telling me to actually sell also on USD Swiss right here. So let me just show you what was happening on a DXY right here. So we saw the market actually dropping. We saw this brief drop to the downside, and then when the New York session came in, and then the market just went to the upside. That's how we actually took a loss on the second trade on USD Swiss right here. So we looked at this level right. So the market dropped from here all the way to this level right here, which was almost like 2 hours, but there was no good significant area where I was expecting price to actually break structure. So there was no structure to be broken. So I was looking for this level right here to be broken. However, the market didn't come to this level. So you really have to have rules that guide you when to move your stop loss. You don't just move your stop loss anyhow, right? So I was waiting for price to take out this level right here. However, the market came to this level right here about 2 hours. So if you just do this, because we entered just right there, it was about it was floating about 1 to 1.5 somewhere here. Let me just show you. Entry was there. Yeah, it was almost 1 to 2 actually. So those that managed to take to actually move your stop loss, well and good, but you don't have to move your stop loss too early, because if you do that, you're going to be taken out most of the time, and the market is going to continue to go in the direction. So what happened was the market was now starting to go against us right here. I was still looking at this level right here as an ascending triangle right here. I was looking for it to actually drop to the downside. However, it didn't happen. The market pushed to the upside, and then after being taken out, we saw the market now dropping to the downside right here, which happens sometimes, but we have no control over that. So the most important thing is to make sure that we are always following our strategy, because we know that if you do that, the wins are just around the corner, and that's how it's supposed to be. All right, so let me show you some of the forecasted trades that we actually turned out to be good trades right here. So if you look at some of the trade we forecasted today, turned out really amazing. However, these were not taken in our signals community. These were only shared in our mentorship community, just to alert the members, so that once they get the signal, they can still actually execute this trade. So you can see that this is AUD USD. Let's see what happened on AUD USD. So if you go on the AUD USD right here, you can see that this trade didn't quite come to our area, therefore we didn't take this particular trade. It just continued to drop right there. The next trade was NZD Swiss as well. This one didn't really come to our level. The trade that actually came to our level but we didn't take was AUDJPY right here. So if you look at this was a beautiful trade right here. We had a rally base drop, and then we had a nice ascending triangle right here. And once the market comes to this level right here, we usually see the market drop into the downside, and that's what I was looking for right here. And if you look what happened right now, it actually responded to this level, and then it continued to drop beautifully. Why didn't I take this trade? So if you look at this level, the market didn't take out the high of the Asian session. So usually what I like to see is the market taking out at the high of the Asian session before it can actually drop right here. So that's the reason why I didn't take this trade, because the market didn't take out the high, so I was hesitant and it didn't give me confidence to actually take this particular trade. However, the trade turned out exactly like I analyzed on this particular trade, so it turned out really good. Just the confirmation to tell me that my strategy really works right here. So you can see also on AUD Swiss right here, we had that nice rally base drop, supply zone, equal highs, and waiting for price to come to that level right here. So let's see what happens on AUD Swiss. Let's check out what happened on AUD Swiss. You can see that on AUD Swiss as well, it literally just came into our area, and then we saw the market dropping. We didn't get a chance to actually take this trade, but those that took a trade from the mentorship community, congratulations, because all this was forecasted, and you can see that this particular one actually took out the Asian high, then it dropped right here. So this had all the confluences, and we were supposed to have taken this trade. However, I was probably busy with something, therefore we missed this particular trade. And yeah, but the instance of me posting in the mentorship communities is for you guys to be able to take this trade as they come, because sometimes I'm not going to be on the chart, and that's the time for you to actually take a particular trade with the confidence that you need, because you understand how we trade, right? The other trade was actually GBP USD right. You can see that we had a nice rally based drop, supply zone with the trend and liquidity right here. So we're waiting for price to come and take out these highs right here, so that market can come into this level. So let's check out what happened on GBP USD. So GBP JPY right here, you can see that the market actually went all the way to take profit right here. The market came to this level right here and went all the way to take profit. However, again, we missed out on this one. We didn't take this particular trade. Again, you can see that the market didn't really take out the Asian high, and according to my rules, I don't really like trading like that, so I missed out on this beautiful trade. It was a 1 to 13 risk reward ratio. It would have been amazing. And another trade we forecasted was NZD card. This was a beautiful trade as well. So let's see what happened on NZD card right here. Perfect. All right, you can see that it played out really good right here. It came to our level just like that, and then the market dropped. However, this as well didn't take out the Asian high, so I was hesitant to take this particular trade. Funny enough, the trades that I was hesitant to take are the ones that ended up playing out really amazing. So yeah, too bad on me on that particular one right there. Yeah, so the other one was USD Swiss. I think this one didn't come to our level. Oh, I mean, that's the one we took. That's the one we took actually. This is the one we took right here. You can see that this was the initial forecast right here. So yeah, this is basically what happened today. We basically had two trades. One was a break-even trade, and the other one was a losing trade. However, the losing trade actually went almost like 2 hours in profit before going against us right there. So if you actually move your stop loss to break even at 1 hour, you would have been saved on this particular trade. But it's not really a good idea. You have to wait for structure to be broken before you can move your stop loss to break even, and that's how it is. You guys, one trade shouldn't be able to define you, and you guys know that we usually have such beautiful trades like this one. So one trade should not be able to bother you, because you know that winning trade is just around the corner. It's just about us having the long-term mindset and having a probabilistic mindset, knowing that on a trade-by-trade basis anything can happen. However, if we continue to define our risk, follow our strategy flawlessly, you know that at the end of the day we're going to be profitable. So far this week is great. I have no complaints, you guys. So make sure you check out in the description if you'd like to join us in the mentorship community. The links are down in the description, and remember, we're still having the 50% off, so make sure you do that. And if you'd like to actually join us and maybe the signals, make sure that you do just that. The links are all down in the description. You guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Let's get trading, guys. All right, until next time, goodbye.